So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make another base soap that you can transform into a lot of soaps or different kind of soaps like mulatto soap, yellow CC soap, strawberry soap, a lot of soap. It can also be transformed into shower gel. You can transform this soap into face and body scrub. Like, the possibilities are endless. So this soap is very important in skincare formulations, most especially those of us that are into selling skincare products. You want to make large production with little. You know what I mean. Just like the Moroccan based soap that I made in this channel that you can turn into endless possibilities of soaps, this soap too have this kind of ability. So that's why I said, why not share this with you people? If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because we make lots of skincare productions. In this channel, we also train you on how you can make your own skincare product from scratch. There's a link in my description box where you can chat me. It's paid training. We are currently undergoing a discount, a 50% discount training on all skincare productions that you will be learning. All you need to do is chat me up and you get started. So all the measurements of everything I use or I'm using in this video is written on the screen. Our SCI powder is there. Cocoa betaine, that is our 2 surfactant. And I believe we put vegetable glycerin, right? Yeah, all the measurement is there. And if you want to know the benefits of all these powders, percentage of how you can use them in your formulations, join our training. Become familiar with all this is important because watching YouTube videos alone, I won't lie to you, it cannot give you that know-how of how to formulate skincare products like an expert, like the way you want to. You get. So that's our distilled water. All our ingredients are going in the same heat resistant container because we are double boiling this. As you can see, I have mixed everything. If your SCI powder is not this lumpy, you will not have problem with double, like it will not take time for you to double boil this. But as you can see, this SCI powder is so lumpy. I have to. Anyways, we are going to double boil this just like this. So just the way I show you how to customize that Moroccan based soup that I made. I mean, for those that joined the training, same rule is applied to this. You are going to pay just 5,000 naira to join the group where you will learn how to customize this base soap into a variety of soaps: whitening soap, lightening soap, repair soap, brightening soap, shower gel, scrub. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. So if you are interested, like I said, there's a link in my description box where you will chat me. You pay just 5,000 to learn how to customize this soap. So as you can see, our soap has melted. It will turn into kind of a pudding when everything is fully melted. So we'll now whip. So if you want to use the soap right now, like if you are ready to use the soap, that's when I'll advise you to whip your soap. But if you don't want to use it, I'll always advise you just leave it like this. Just put it in a airtight container and just save it like this. When you want to use it, then you bring it, whip it, put your ingredients, and then whip again. You get, to avoid, I feel like it's better that way, you get. So but still, if you want to whip it and save it, it's all the same. So here we have whipped our soap. I've started whipping it, and then NEPA took off their light, and I needed to finish this video. So that's why it's not that floppy the way I want it. But then I'm going to customize this, so I will end up whipping it so good the way I want it. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I have tons of videos in my channel. You can do well to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much. You are the reason I keep on going on this channel. So see you in my next video. Bye.